Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to show you how to remove the hardtop on your JL Wrangler. The first step into removing your hardtop is to remove the freedom panels. There's a few latches, and then you have to remove these two levers that sit right on the windshield channel. We're going to start from the driver's side and work our way left to right. First, pull down your sun visor, and then simply pull down on this latch and it will come loose. This one counterclockwise, this clockwise. On the passenger side, pull the visor down and then pull the latch towards you. Then we can work our way towards the back. When you work onto the back, there's going to be one right here next to the roll cage. That one will go clockwise. In the center, this latch goes counterclockwise, this latch goes clockwise, and then all the way over on the driver's side, you're going to twist it counterclockwise. And now you can remove the freedom panels. One of the nice features about the JL is that you could stop there and just have your freedom panels removed. We're going to take a step further and remove the rest of the hardtop. Before you can start removing your hardtop, there's a little wiring harness as well as your windshield washer fluid line that has to be disconnected. If you don't do this, it's not going to be fun to pull it off. We're in the driver's side corner. On the Jeep, there's actually a nice storage spot for the harness. That'll keep them nice and tucked out of the way and not let any water or moisture get inside the connection. Underneath the rear glass of the hardtop, there are 3 torque spits which you have to remove on each side. We're going to use the included Jeep ratchet with the T50 bit to get these pulled off. Once you have the last bolt pulled out, repeat the same process on the other side, and then there's a nice little storage cubby right in the rear. We're going to start removing the back half of the hardtop. There's 2 Torx bolts that are right behind where the freedom panels are. They use T50 Torx bits, so let's get them pulled off. Once you pull the bolt out, repeat the same process on the passenger side. Go ahead and grab an extra set of hands and you're ready to pull off your hardtop. It's about 35 degrees out. We got the top and doors off. Let's go for a cruise. And that's how easy it is to take off the hardtop on your new JL Wrangler. Now, to stay up to date on all the how-to videos for the new JL Wrangler, be sure to subscribe to our CJ Off-Road YouTube channel.